Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Chase bank account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Security or Security Settings option to manage your account's security features. Step 3. Select Two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the option for Two-factor authentication. This may also be labeled as Two-step verification or 2FA. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select how you want to receive your authentication codes. Options typically include text messages, phone calls, or authentication apps. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompt. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your authentication method, you may need to verify it by entering a code sent to your chosen device. Once verified, save your changes to enable two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Chase Bank account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.